Hello everyone, today we are going to convert rows into columns and columns into rows using transpose function. So we have weather data for Paris. We have months, minimum temperature and maximum temperature. So let's start with write equal transpose and select the all data. Enter and we got the columns. So let's say we want to get them back into rows. So we go again, transpose, select all, and voila, we got them back like this. So what if we have a big data file and we want to convert them? So let's say we have this file, it's a big file, so we want to convert these columns into rows. So I will just follow the same procedure. Let's say we write equal transpose. Now it's hard to select all these, so what I do, I click here, I press Ctrl plus Shift and down arrow key, it will select the left row. Now I will press the right arrow key and it will select all. So I press enter and I got all these, all the rows here. So it's super easy. Thank you. Bye.